Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel, and I hope that you like what you see and that you'll subscribe. It helps, all the comments, the likes, the subscription. It truly helps me to continue to create and to put out the videos. It's very helpful, and I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I don't know how well this video is going to go because, as y'all can see, I have another cat that is normally calm and downstairs sleeping somewhere, but he's wanting to be crazy this morning. He pulled some trash out of my trash can and was chewing on it, and he's been meowing like crazy at the door because he wants me to sit in the kitchen so that he can eat safely. I don't know what's going to get him, but he's just all full of himself this morning. All right, Steenie, you got to get down. I'm not blocking light. You're over that. All right. So I've got an Etsy shop share this morning that are digitals, y'all. This creation was a test of my patience. I can't begin to tell you the papers themselves. I will not put things in my shop that I don't absolutely approve of, and perfecting these papers, I'm about to break out in a sweat thinking about it. Perfecting them so that they would look nearly identical to the originals. And then my printer did not want to work. I spent, I don't know how long on the phone with HP yesterday, and then gave HP digital access, remote access to my computer. They finally got it fixed, and they're here. They're released. I know that a couple of y'all have been waiting, and they're finally here, and they make me smile. I'm so happy with them, and I hope that y'all love them too. So let me explain what I did here. Look. There's two different sets, and they'll both be in the same digital kit, so you'll get both. One of the sets you'll get with shimmers that I've added, and the other without shimmers. So however you like it. So let me show these to y'all. First, with the shimmers. I think that's just so pretty. I don't know. Can y'all see the shimmers that I've added over the video? I don't know. I can't really tell. I'm looking at the back of my camera, but I can't really tell. But y'all, I am just tickled pink with how these turned out. And you can even see, again, I don't know if y'all can see it over video or not, but you can even see the like blushy, like pink of the shimmer that was in the originals that did come through on the digitals. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. And these are quite neutral, so they can be used in nearly every kind of and single project. I can just see using these, you know, me personally, for years and years. I was asked by a couple of people if I could just make them some like the original, you know, hand make them and ship them. And I said that I was glad to, but one person was not willing to pay the price that I was asking, and that's totally fine, you know. I get it, I do. But these took so much time and so much more work than just regular coffee dyeing that I wasn't willing to charge what I charged just for my regular coffee dyeing. I charged a bit extras. But just the time alone is just so much. And I think that we ought to be recompensed for our time and efforts. And this definitely takes a lot more time and effort than regular coffee dyeing. Much more special. So, you know, that's fine. And then another person did want to pay that, and so I'm working on theirs at the moment. But that is why I decided to make some digitals. I thought, you know, I believe that y'all would really love these and find great use for them. And this way you would have them on hand at all times. All times. All right, that was, let's see, that was the last of the shimmery. And now same ones, but no, none of the shimmer. So these are a little more vintagey, I guess. Oh my goodness, that is just so pretty. I'm just so proud of how these turned out. If I'm remembering correctly, there are 8 apiece, so that will give you 16 pages, 8 with the shimmers, 8 without. And again, like I said, I'm not separating them into 2 separate kits. I thought about offering a kit of, you know, plain no shimmeries and another one with shimmer. And I thought, no, I'll put them both. That way that you have both to decide from in the same kit. I mean, even the coffee splashes come through, and I just love it. And that pink shimmer, so pretty. Please let me say to those of y'all that do order any digitals from my Etsy shop, I recommend in your settings for your printer, make sure that you switch it from normal to best. You want to print in best quality. And you do want to print in max DPI. You can go to your settings and make sure that you're printing in max DPI. And I don't know about, you know, for you personally, but for me, I have to switch that with every single print that I make. My savings, for some reason, won't, you know, my settings won't save. I don't know why, but they don't, and I have to change it every single time, and you might have to as well. All right. Ooh, I love it, love it, love it. All right, my YouTube family and friends, y'all, thank you for watching. I will leave a link to my Etsy shop down in the description. And y'all take care and talk to you later. Bye.